What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Life is a Grind. Look, I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all on some hustles real quick, right? First thing is, my grandpa used to tell me that a man without no tools ain't shit. First off, so you need to have some tools. And you need to know how to use those tools, because there's people out here on jobs every single day and they don't like their jobs. They clock in, they clock out, they go home disappointed, sad, upset, frustrated about whatever it is that happened to them at work or whatever it may be, right? So I got my son with me. Say, what's up, buddy? Say, what's up, buddy? Y'all probably can barely see. There we go. We out here working, right? And we riding in our pickup truck that I paid $500 for. And I'm teaching my son how it goes. Now, I work these apps, these gig apps where you can pick up packages, get them dropped off, all that different stuff. Do your own research about the different apps that they got out there. I'll make a whole nother video about that later. But right now, we're about to make, $105 in a matter of an hour, right, son? And this just 2 stops. I'm picking up something, taking it 5 miles down the road, and then I'm taking something else about 10 miles down the road. We're about to make $105. I can show the proof in the pudding, with everything I'm saying. I'll do another video talking about the apps that I'm using and how you can use it. But anyways, it don't take an hour to make $10, $15, $20 an hour, whatever they paying y'all on these jobs. You see, we about to get the packages right now, and we about to load them in. It ain't nothing but some metal shelvings. That's all this is. All this is. I'm finna show y'all what it is in a second. Let me load it up and I'm gonna show you. All right, so this is what we just picked up. We just picked up 3 storage shelving units from the Home Depot. One of these is going 5 miles away. That's this one right here. And this one is going about 9 to 10 miles away. And that's about to be a quick $105. You know what I'm saying? Just to do that. So, and I'm doing that all through a gig app. You can do it too. Don't let nobody tell you it take no hour to make no freaking $10, $20, $30, $40. Yeah, you got to factor in gas and all that stuff too. But if you do it right, man, you can make some pretty serious money out here doing this stuff. Then what I'm going to actually do is, like I say, I'm going to do a video showing y'all the different apps that I use. Some of them may or may not be in your local city, state, area, whatever it may be. I'm not sponsored by none of these apps. I'm just out here trying to show people a different way because I see plenty of people on jobs every single day out here struggling, barely can survive, and they see me doing this all the time and they see like, damn, I show them how much money I'm making, what I'm doing. They're like, damn, how are you able to do that? Because if I'm a struggle by myself. I'm not about to be on a job struggling to bust my ass off and be unhappy. Anyways, that's my deal for today. I'll make another video letting y'all see the apps that I'm using. I just want to drop this to give y'all some motivation and some inspiration. And let's stay tuned to Life is a Grind, baby. Peace. We out.